My name's Tony Chalkley. I'm the General Manager of Horne Services Limited. We're based in Girvan. We're a ground utility and landscape management company. We look after the local distillery, which is very close to us. We cut the grass. We look after all their visitors' needs from the point of a visual aspect, and it has to be visitor ready at all times. So the other side of our business, we do work for the local wind farms. We also do ground maintenance there. We have a small holding here that we work from. We also have pods here for visitors to come along. So over the last 6 months, we've been looking for alternatives to our normal lawnmowers that are obviously using fossil fuel. It's important to us as a company to be able to promote zero emissions eventually, and there's a couple of reasons why we've gone over to using electric equipment. The first is it's important when you're doing ground maintenance that you're looking after the customer as good as you can, and for us we're cutting grass very close to the offices, the main buildings in the local distillery. So we were looking for something that was not only more economical, but also that was really quiet, to be able to cut grass, trim and maintain the place as best as possible, but to do it without disturbing the client was really important to us. So that was one of the reasons we changed over to electric. The other reason was obviously fuel prices at the moment are escalating, they're going through the roof, and us as a small company needed to diversify and look for other opportunities to be able to do the job, but to do it more economically. So we contacted our local Pellenc dealer, which is Agravista. They very kindly set up a demo, came down to the farm here and gave us a demo of all their equipment. We then went away and we researched a little bit about other products that are on the market, but we were so impressed by the demonstration that we were given and the equipment and ease of use, most importantly for the guys to be able to grab the equipment and be able to use it with ease and get on and use it pretty quickly, which is what we did. So we decided to purchase a couple of the mowers that are obviously in front of me at the moment, a couple of the strimmers, one with a city head and a small strimmer as well, for basically going in the wall garden and doing the ground maintenance in there. Blowers as well, hedge cutters, extended hedge cutter was the other thing. All the equipment has been absolutely fantastic from day one. With these, they easily go for 5 hours with a full battery life. You don't get the vibration, it's light and easy to use. Standard lawnmower, you're pulling it around all the time, the extra weight is considerable. These are night and day from that. So in terms of us recommending the product, Pellenc, to anybody that is considering changing to electric, I would certainly recommend. Their products have been 100%. We've been using them now since the beginning of the season, and we've not had any issues with it whatsoever. Like I said previously, it's nice and light, it's really easy to use, and the savings that we're making compared to fossil fuels, etc., is good.